At Success Institutions, student and staff well-being is an important part of our commitment to holistic education. Every year, we organize a comprehensive annual health camp across our campuses. This annual initiative is conducted for both school and junior college students, as well as our teaching and non-teaching staff, ensuring health awareness for the entire institution. Qualified medical professionals conduct general health checkups to monitor overall wellness and identify early health concerns. Specialized screenings, including eye examinations and dental checkups, help promote preventive care and encourage healthy habits among students. At Success Junior Girls College, dedicated gynecological counseling sessions are conducted to support young women with health awareness, guidance, and age-appropriate education in a safe and respectful environment. Through awareness, guidance, and preventive care, the annual health camp helps build a culture of responsibility toward physical and emotional well-being.